Terry's garage with a PowerBronze PowerBlade update. So that vibration I put in my review is coming right from here. So very easy to take this windshield off right here, and it was a great opportunity to clean it from behind, and then of course just left the rubber grommets in, and these 4 screws just go right in with a Phillips head. Nothing hard. So more to the point, I got creative because this broke on me, right, for my RAM mount for my phone. So I just cut it off here. I've ordered a new one from Amazon, right? And I said, well, I'll just cut up some of the rubber pieces and just glue them with Elmer's glue. Easy to peel off, it won't damage nothing. So I'm just gonna glue here, there. There's one. And then I'll do the other one. I like this one. Well, here, let's trim this a little bit, make it more straight. Just use the simple. Alright. Close enough for rock and roll. So I'm using Elmer's because, well, Elmer's will peel off easy. It's not like a Gorilla Glue or anything. Alright. I'm just going to put it here. So for anyone with the PowerBlade from PowerBronze, you can do what I'm doing. I just want to show you that I'm doing it. It's my ad hoc solution. And I'll do this. And with a little bit of, this is actually Windex with some vinegar in it. See, it's kind of sliding on there. But I guess I really don't care because it would take a real nit. There you go. There you go. And we'll let that dry, and I'll just clean a little bit more in here. Kind of a Batmobile windshield if you ask me. But I never heard the vibration unless my helmet was off, and they heard it in the service department a week ago. And this too is a good view of how this adjustable windshield works. Just loosen it. You don't have to tighten it all the way. You can move it up or back, and how about moving it there and just go down? Well, let's see. There you go. So we'll let this dry. So you can see we've got these glued on here. Whoa, this one slipped. Gonna have to re-glue it. Okay, so to finish this up, and we will have the vibrations go away for good. Put these back in a cross pattern. Okay, so there's that one. Let's do this one. I can't tell everyone how freaking hot it is today, but you know, I want to be grateful. Better than freaking snow. Let's do the other two. Drop that there. We brought our seat cushions in from our balcony because it's gonna storm. We've progressed to a clean windshield again, and hopefully those little rubber pads that I held in place with glue will stop that vibration, and also the damage to the windshield here and here, little scratches. Nothing major, it's not the end of the world. It's a design flaw. Alright, there you go. Maybe tighten this one a little bit more. Alright, seems pretty tight, so that's it.